Okay, viewers, we're out by the tomato patch today. I got my new tomato plants. It is the Monday after Easter Sunday, 2020. I'll have to look on the calendar and see what the date is. Must be about the 12th, I don't know, 13th maybe. But we got some tomatoes to put in the ground. First I'm going to level up this ground a little bit. We had a lot of rain and storms last night. I hope everybody survived them. Hopefully the dirt won't be too wet to rake out. I got 6 to plant. I might put some beans in this year too. If you just tuned in and you wonder why I haven't worked this soil, well, I have. Did it the other day. Okay, let's get to work. Well, we got one in the ground already. That is what they call a celebrity. This one over here is going to be a Pwalpar. We'll make a hole in the ground, not too far from my post. I plan to put a cage around it, but I'll still be close enough to the post that I can tie to it too. The cage is a little big to put on around exactly in the center. I can tell we had one here last year because there's some black dirt. I'll just work in some of this potting soil and cow manure. A rock. We don't grow rocks. Okay, where did I put the whopper? I think they're right in the ground. Alright, I'm gonna pinch off these suckers. Probably already go deeper, but that's okay. kind of make it around the dirt piled up around the plant, more in a bowl shape to hold. Look at that earthworm. Better get in there and tend to my tomato plants well. Okay, that little boy's ready for a drink of water. I was going to sprinkle some fertilizer on it, but I think we'll leave that alone for now. Give them a chance to get started without burning them up. Okay. We got 2 in the ground. If I can get myself up. We had a lot of rain last night, and this dirt's still plenty wet. So it's not like I packed dry dirt down around them tomatoes. It was moist. I ought to pick that limb off. I think I will. Well, the wife came out here a while ago to check on me. It saw a snake, went back in the house. I managed to get 6 tomato plants planted. Three over there, 3 over here. Celebrity. Part swapper, and 2 better boys. You want to call it quits for today. Work on the irrigation system another day. I've watered them good for today. And now tomatoes, all you got to do is hurry up and grow.